In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your experience on LinkedIn. This can be a crucial step if you want more control over what parts of your professional journey are visible to the public, or even to certain connections within your network. So let's jump right in and manage the experience section on your LinkedIn profile with ease and confidence. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn, which you can easily find at linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. If you're not already signed in, you can do this using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply by entering your email address and password. It's important to remember that LinkedIn may require additional verification if you have two-factor authentication enabled. This typically involves entering a code sent to your phone to ensure that your account remains secure. With successful login, locate your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on your photo will give you a drop-down menu from which you should select View Profile. This will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can start making changes to your visibility settings. You'll want to move your attention to the right-hand side of the page, where you'll find the option Edit Public Profile and URL. Click on it. This is your gateway to customizing who sees what on your LinkedIn profile. Now that you're in the right place, focus on the section labeled Edit Visibility. Here you'll see a setting called Your Profile's Public Visibility. Switch this toggle to off if your goal is to completely hide your profile from public view. This step makes sure that your profile is no longer generally available to people searching for you online. However, you might want to manage visibility selectively instead of hiding your entire profile. LinkedIn provides flexibility to do just that. For those who wish to hide only certain sections like your experience section, simply toggle specific settings to off to hide that particular information from your public profile while keeping the rest visible as you see fit. That's it. You've now effectively managed your LinkedIn profile's visibility, giving you the control to choose exactly what others can see about your professional life. Always remember that you can revisit these settings at any time should your preferences or circumstances change. By taking these steps, you've ensured that you have the final say in the level of exposure your professional journey receives on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to customize your digital presence responsibly and intentionally. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist.